I really enjoyed the internship. I enjoyed learning about Korean medicine. I think this internship gave me a solid basis on what Korean medicine actually is, and I genuinely recommend people to come to this internship. I think it was a unique experience, like putting yourself in the patient's space and actually trying to walk in it. It puts things into perspective, like how hard it can be for the patient to go through that. I was expecting this internship to be mostly lecture-based, but I found out that it was very hands-on, which I really enjoyed. Like, they allowed us to do acupuncture, pharmacopuncture, and trauma therapy on each other. That was one of the highlights of the program for me. During the practicals, what I really liked is that the lecturers or the doctors would come and stand with you and show you how to actually do it, and they would make you try doing it on each other. They had so much confidence in us that we had confidence in ourselves, even though some of these things were things that we do for the first time.